Christian Buşoi.
Thank you very much. I'd like first to congratulate Commissioner Dalli for his commitment and for his activism in the area not only of public health but also on consumer protection. And I have two questions. And also a third one, but this was already asked by one of the colleagues. First, I would like to have more details on your communicable disease initiative. I think it's very important to be able to cope with cross-border health threats in an effective manner, and I know that this is on your program, so maybe you give us much more details. The second, I want to congratulate you for deciding to revise the clinical trials directive, because now the existing legislation more hinders the innovation rather than supporting it. And if in some member states the clinical trials are working well, the main problem is concerning the multinational trials. Because first of the authorization and evaluation procedures and other administrative burdens, what exactly do you propose to improve in this area? And also, as a former draft opinion from IMCO committee about information to patients, I'm also, as my colleague Madame Grostet, interested how you see how to solve this problem with the directive, which is not yet approved. Thank you very much.